Very good evening to all. All are fine, all are happy. Miss you guys. Okay, let us start for today the third video of male reproductive system. Yes, try to focus mind if we talk about which one. Try to in the last video we already talked about which one male reproductive system. Only we talk about the which one accessory glands. There is in male reproductive system there is basically three types of accessory glands are found. One is called seminal vesicle, second one is called prostate gland, and the third one is called Cowper's gland. We already told you seminal vesicle and prostate gland. Today we talk about Cowper's gland. Okay, Cowper's gland. If we talk about the Cowper gland, it is otherwise called bulbourethral gland. It is otherwise called which gland? Bulbourethral. And try to focus one. You can found this is how much pair in number? These are one pair in number. How much pair in number? One pair in number. Okay. And small pea-sized gland. Okay. The small pea-sized gland. Very small pea-sized gland. Okay. Situated at the base of penis. Situated at the which of penis? Base of penis. Yes. It is secretes alkaline fluid. Okay. It secretes alkaline fluid which neutralizes the acidity of semen. Try to focus mind here. It neutralizes the acidity of semen. This is which one? Try to focus. This is which bladder? Urinary bladder. So which one? From the urinary bladder, what is coming out? Urine. And the urine is coming out by the urethra. Yes. You know the pH of urine is how much? 6 to 6.5. It is slightly acidic. Yes. And some very small amount of urine which one are basically found which one attached to the wall of the inner wall of the urethra. Okay, for that will which one kills the sperms. So for that reason the alkaline fluid is secreted from the Cowper's gland to neutralize the acidity. Okay, which neutralize the acidity of the semen. Okay, that means try to focus my dear. Very interestingly, it neutralize the acidity of the semen because of the which one? Its alkaline nature of this fluid. Yes. Apart from that, this fluid which is secreted from Cowper's gland is helps in lubrication. It acts as a lubricating fluid. It acts as which fluid? Lubricating fluid. So what is the need of lubricating fluid? You know, this structure is called penis. And try to try to understand this is vagina, and try to guess my which one when penis come in contact with vagina there is some friction takes place. What is express? Friction. Okay, try to guess my to reduce this friction. Try to we need a lubricating fluid. Yes, and that lubricating fluid is secreted from Cowper's gland. Okay, and it secretes a alkaline fluid that's basically neutralized acid, and it is act as a which one? Lubricating fluid which helps in which case lubrication. Helps in which one? Lubrication during copulation. During which lesson? Copulation. Okay, try to guess minor. These are the basic fundamental about Cowper's gland. Yes, try to focus. Next one, if we talk about the next part. Ready? Now we talk about sperm. There's an important question basically coming out in which one CHSC point of view as well as CBSE point of view. Yes, in CHSC is basically asked for 2.5 marks. Yes, sperm path. Try to guess my the sperm is producing which tubule? Seminiferous tubule of testis. Sperm is producing which one? Small tubules, that is seminiferous tubules of testis. And from the seminiferous tubule, it is basically transferred to which one? Which afferentia? Small dots. That is vasa efferentia. Yes. From the vasa afferentia, they come to a which one? Long coiled tubule, that is called which dimes? epididymis. From the epididymis is basically transferred to which one? A long muscular duct that is called vas deferens. Which deferens? Vas deferens. Yes. And you know this is up to this vas deferens, and from vas deferens is transferred to ejaculatory duct. Ejaculatory duct. From the ejaculatory duct, it is basically transferred to which one? Urethra. Yes. And try to focus mind from the urethra, which one? By the help of penis. Okay. From urethra, it is transferred to penis, and via the penis, it is transferred into vagina of female, or we can call that female reproductive tract. Yes, vagina is a part of, to the point if you tell, you can call it vagina, and if you which one broadly you can call it as female reproductive tract. Yes, tract. Seminiferous tubules of testis. To which efferentia? Vasa efferens, seminiferous tubules inside the testis. From that vasa efferentia to epididymis, epididymis to what is that? Vas deferens, to ejaculatory duct, to urethra, urethra to penis, penis to which one of the female? Vagina of the female. If we add more points, if we take some additional points, from the seminiferous tubule of testis, it is transferred to tubuli recti of testis. Okay, another small duct is coming out by the union of seminiferous tubule, you can call it tubuli recti. The sperm from the seminiferous tubule transferred to tubuli recti, and this tubuli recti are combined to form again testis. These are the which are also small ducts which are basically formed by the union of tubuli recti inside the testis, and which generated testes are combined to form which one? Vasa efferens. Thus means sperm from seminiferous tubule transferred to tubuli recti of testis, tubuli recti to testis of testis, and from that vasa efferentia, vasa to epididymis, then vas deferens, ejaculatory duct, urethra, penis, and lastly vagina of the female. Yes, this is the sperm path. Okay, try to focus, my dears. Now we are talking about another one important point or important heading, that is called semen. What is semen? This is also very much important question, also option for 2.5 marks. Okay, try to focus. What is semen? Semen is nothing, simply a mixture of what is that? 80 to 100 million sperms, or you can call that spermatozoa. Yes, 80 to 100 million sperms. It is according to the current data, but according to previous data, it is 200 to 300 million. Okay, but according to current data, it is 80 to 100 million sperms. Yes. Next, try to focus mind if you're talking about secretion of epididymis, also contain secretion of which dymis? Epididymis, plus secretion of vas deferens, plus secretion of three accessory glands, that is seminal vesicle, prostate gland, and Cowper's gland. Yes, secretion of seminal vesicle plus secretion of prostate gland and secretion of Cowper's gland, or you can call that bulbourethral gland. Yes, try to guess, my dear. This is basically yes, and try to guess, my dear. If you take out semen, try to focus. It is basically secreted 3 to 5 ml for ejaculation. Okay, that means when orgasm takes place or sexual intercourse takes place, only 3 to 5 ml of Which one? Try to guess, my dear. Semen is ejaculated. Okay? For ejaculation, matlab one time ejaculation. Yes. Try to focus, my dear. If you take about the next one, the semen as basically white in color. Which in color? White in color. It is mucoid. Mucoid matlab it contains more amount of mucus. Yes. And try to guess, my dear. It is which one? Due to presence of mucus, it is more viscous fluid. It is a white mucoid. Okay, which one? Which one? Viscous fluid. Okay, containing 80 to 100 million of sperms or spermatozoa and secretion of epididymis, secretion of vas deferens, secretion of seminal vesicle, secretion of prostate gland, secretion of Cowper's gland. Okay, which one? 3 to 5 ml of which one? Semen is secreted. Which one? For which lesson? Ejaculation. Okay, it is a which fluid? Another point, it is a which? It is an alkaline fluid. It is a which fluid? Alkaline fluid. Yes. Which is basically having pH which is slightly alkaline fluid having pH 7.3 to 7.5. So which one important for short question? How much? What is the pH of the semen? That is 7.3 to which one? 7.5. Okay, try to focus, my dear. If you take one of the next additional points, try to understand what is that. The semen is basically composed of 60%. Okay, secretion. 60% of the secretion of the which one? Semen is coming from seminal vesicle. Yes, that means 60% secretion of the which one? Semen is it coming out from the which one? Seminal vesicle. Yes, it includes 20 to 30% secretion of or 20 to 30% of semen is secreted from prostate gland. Okay, only 3 to 5% of secretion is coming out from of semen is coming out from Cowper's gland. Okay, try to focus, my dear. Apart from that, it contains already known that 80 to 100 million of what? Sperms. Yes, this is the main composition. 80 to 100 million sperms, 3 to 5% which one? Cowper's gland secretion, 20 to 30% of which one? Prostate gland secretion, and which one? 60% secretions of the semen is coming out from seminal vesicle. Yes. If we talk about additional things, apart from that, which one? Or is if we talk about the semen is composed of fructose, which provide nourishment to the sperm. Yes, fructose is present in the which one? Semen. That means semen contain fructose, which provide nourishment to the sperm. Yes. Apart from that, it is basically which one? Composed of fibrinogen, which helps in formation of coagulum. Okay, which is basically formed. Coagulum is formed in the vagina of female. Okay, it contains which one? Fibrinogen, which act as which one? Coagulum, which one forms coagulum in vagina of female. Yes, try to guess, my dear. It contains which glandins? Prostaglandins. Okay, which one? Try to guess it is prostaglandins for protection. Okay, and which one? It contains which one? Vitamins, calcium for which reason? Maturation of the sperm. Yes, this is the basic composition of the semen. Okay, try to guess, my dear. This is the basic composition of the semen. Yes, try to guess. If we take on the next part, try to guess, my dear. What is that? The hormonal control of male reproductive system. hormonal control. Male reproductive system, hormonal control. Okay, or which hormone control the activity of male reproductive system? Okay, try to understand. Try to understand what is that. There is basically one gland is that is called hypothalamus. What's thalamus? Hypothalamus. It is known as the master gland. Okay, this hypothalamus has basically produce one hormone that is basically one releasing hormone that is called FSH-RH, and also produce another one that is called LH-RH. FSH-RH मतलब follicle stimulating hormone releasing hormone, and LH-RH that is called luteinizing hormone releasing hormone. Yes. Yes, you know which one? Just below the hypothalamus there is a gland is present that is called pituitary gland. It is known as the hypothalamus is the which gland? Supermaster gland. Pituitary is the which gland? Master gland. Yes. That means the information coming to the pituitary gland. Okay, identification. FSH-RH is coming out from the hypothalamus that stimulates the pituitary gland for release of one hormone that is called FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. And at the same time, the LH-RH also stimulates the pituitary gland for production of LH, luteinizing hormone. Yes, this FSH stimulates the Sertoli cell of testis. It stimulates the Sertoli cell of testis. Whereas, try to focus mind very interestingly, LH stimulates the Leydig cell. Or its other name is an interstitial cell of testis. Yes, here this is a testis. One type of cell that is a large cell that is called Sertoli cell of testis, and here another type of cell is basically Leydig cell of the or interstitial cell of the testis. Yes, the FSH stimulates the Sertoli cell, which is basically Sertoli cell for production of sperm. Yes. Production of the sperm, which is called stimulates, or you can call that stimulates spermatogenesis. The production of the sperm is otherwise called which one? Spermatogenesis. That is which one? When the FSH stimulates the Sertoli cell, it stimulates the production of sperm or stimulates the spermatogenesis. Yes. Also, which one? FSH stimulates the production of ABP, androgen binding protein, which concentrate the testosterone. Testosterone is the male sex hormone, you know already. It which one stimulates which one? FSH stimulates the Sertoli cell. It produces another which one, that is androgen binding protein that concentrates the testosterone. Yes. It also which one, when FSH stimulates the Sertoli cell, it produces another chemical, also another hormone that is called inhibin. It inhibits spermatogenesis. Okay, when which one required quota is filled up, when sufficient sperms are produced, then which one inhibin is coming out that inhibits the spermatogenesis. Yes, try to guess. This is the basic function of which one? FSH on Sertoli cell. Right? And try to guess what we talking about the next one. LH stimulates the Leydig cell. You know, here it is interstitial cell. So which one? LH in case of male is called interstitial interstitial cell stimulating hormone. So one question can be which one basically asked LH in case of male called as interstitial cell stimulating hormone. In short, we can call that ICSH. Okay. Okay, and try to guess what when LH stimulates the Leydig cell, it is produce or interstitial cell it produce one hormone that is called testosterone. Okay, testosterone is a type of androgen, or we can call that male sex hormone. Yes, leave that. We can also on testosterone as male sex hormone, which helps in the development of, stimulates the development of secondary sexual character. That stimulates the development of secondary sexual character in case of male. Okay, testosterone as basically secondary sexual character in case of male, that is which one? Beard and mustache. Okay, which one? Which one? Low pitch voice, hoarse voice, strong body build. Yes, body which one? Body with hair. Okay, try to guess this much. Okay, small size which one? Mammary gland or vestigial mammary gland, like this, like this. Apart from that, under the stimulation of which one? LH, the interstitial cell or Leydig cell stimulates the Sertoli cell. Stimulates the Sertoli cell for production of sperm. This one, this one, which one? Sorry, this one, the testosterone stimulates. When LH stimulates the Leydig cell, it stimulates the which one? It stimulates the production of which one? LH stimulates the Leydig cell for production of testosterone. The testosterone also stimulates the Sertoli cell for production of the sperm. That is which genesis? Spermatogenesis. Okay, this is the which one? This is the hormonal control of which reproductive system? Male reproductive system. Okay, try to focus my head. I am also adding 2 more additional points. Just repeating that. Hypothalamus produce which one? FSH as well as which one? FSH as well as RH. Okay, if we are combining these two, they are called GnRH. Gonadotrophin, okay, releasing hormone. Which one? Which one? Try to guess my dear. Yes. Okay, try to guess my dear. Which one? If you have which one in the same time, that stimulates the pituitary gland for the production of FSH and LH, which these two are combinedly called gonadotrophic hormones. Gonadotrophic hormones, matlab try to guess my the which one? This stimulates the testes in case of men as well as ovary in case of female, which are known as gonads. So these are called gonadotrophic hormones. Okay, we can call that combinedly called GnTH, gonadotrophic hormone. Okay, which one they are called? Which one? We can call that GnTR, gonadotrophic releasing hormone. FSHRF is called FSHFRF, and LHRF are combinedly called gonadotrophic releasing hormone. Yes, try to focus my dear. We can also FSH and LH are combined called GnTH. GTH, we can small in here. Try to focus on gonadotrophic hormone. Okay, the FSH stimulates the Sertoli cell for the production of which one? Which stimulates the production of sperm, that is called spermatogenesis. It produces which one? Androgen binding protein, which one? Which constitutes the testosterone. Apart from that, it secretes which one? Inhibin, which inhibits the spermatogenesis or production of the sperm. At the same time, LH stimulates the interstitial cell or Leydig cell, so we can call that interstitial cell stimulating hormone, or we can call that ICSH, which is basically produced which one? Under the influence of ICSH, the Leydig cell or interstitial cell produces testosterone, which stimulates the development of secondary sexual character in male. Okay, and try to guess my dear, testosterone also stimulates the Sertoli cell for production of the sperm. Okay, So the basic fundamental or the basic details about hormonal control of male reproductive system. Yes, try to focus, my dear. I'm just giving two additional points to you. One is removal testis is called as. When you remove the testis, you know, bull, from the bull we remove the testis. When we remove testis, then it becomes ox. By the removal of testis. And this method is called orchidectomy. Yes, the removal of testis is called orchidectomy. Yes. Okay. So why we remove the testis from the bull to make ox, to reduce the power. Yes, bull is more powerful due to presence of which hormone? Testosterone. Ox is less powerful because there is no testis, matlab no testosterone. So it is which powerful? Less powerful. Okay, try to focus, my dear. Removal of testis. Already you know. Next one. Another important point. Testis plus epididymis is called as. Yes, testis plus epididymis are combinedly called testicle. Okay, testicle. Yes. And another question. Okay, the starting of the sperm production in male is called dash. The starting of sperm production in male is called dash. You know, sperm production is called spermatogenesis. Sperm production, if the sperm is coming out, it may be fast or it may be last or it may be middle, like that. But if he is talking about the starting of the sperm production, it's called spermats. As matlab starting of the sperm production. Spermats. The starting of the sperm production in case of male is called as spermats. Okay, these are the important questions, which is basically you can find this type of questions in case of NEET. Okay, or the top medical entrance, that is NEET. Okay, so this is all about the male reproductive system, and I am specially dedicate this video to Ganesh Sir Botany of Noaigad Autonomous College, Noaigad. Thank you. See you the next. Till then, bye.